German build quality. Now you must have heard of this phrase around petrol heads, and it's generally uttered in the vicinity of high-speed stability or solid safety. But what is German build quality? Can you see it? Can you hear it? Well, no, but you can feel it, and that is when you get behind the wheel of a German car, even if it is only for 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Dhruv Paliwal, you're watching autoX, and today we are talking about German build quality with the help of a long-termer, the Taigun, and with the help of a favorite German mass market car maker, Volkswagen. Now you see, German build quality, it's not a part that can be supplied by a vendor or a software update that can be patched in through over-the-air updates. It's the DNA of people who make these cars. Starting from the scientists, the engineers in the R&D lab, right down to the assembly line technicians who build our Volkswagens. They all believe in giving their best without cutting any corners so that each and every inch of their vision can manifest itself into a Volkswagen. Alright, a great example of this is the Taigun's 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Now when it comes to performance and refinement, this engine, it's at the top of its game. But that's not what blows our mind. It's the fact that it offers cylinder deactivation technology. And you might be thinking is an year-old news because the Taigun has been around for a year. But the fact that no other mass market car maker is even still considering offering this piece of technology in their cars is something that allows Volkswagen to do the one thing it does best, and that is offer performance and efficiency in a neat little package. And that just makes the day for enthusiasts like us. All because someone, somewhere, sat down at Volkswagen and thought, you know what, this would be a really cool piece of tech to offer in mass market cars. The DSG, that's another stellar example of this. Now long ago, Volkswagen thought, you know what, instead of one clutch, let's put two clutches in a transmission and make it automatic. Now mind you, the DSG, it's a complex piece of machinery, but over time it's been refined and honed, and even though other car makers have copied VW into offering a DCT, none of the DCTs are as good as VW has to offer. And it even offers efficiency, it offers performance no matter what you want. It offers you the best of both worlds, something that VW seems to be getting really good at. It's time to revisit our original question, what is German build quality? Now, well, it can be the fact that German cars are built like a tank, or they handle really well, or they're really stable at high speeds. But ultimately, it's the fact that the people behind these cars will not rest until they have given their best in making a VW. And that is also evident in their safety standards. When it comes to safety, Volkswagen doesn't follow other bodies. It doesn't follow safety standards that have been set by others. Instead, it makes its own safety standards, and that is why for more than a decade now, Volkswagen cars have been one of the safest cars on Indian roads. That was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.